Hello, and welcome to this edition of the Brenner-Fiedler Manufacturing Minute. Brenner-Fiedler's paint and coating services utilizes industry-standard RAL numbers, which allows us to match pre-existing colors, ensuring your new build fits right in with your existing equipment. Individual parts can be coated to create builds that are entirely one color or a unique variety of colors. Brenner-Fiedler is an established provider of durable aluminum extrusion and aluminum connectors. Our high-grade aluminum extrusion systems are widely used in hospitals, industrial and construction applications, transportation, automotive, aerospace, and much more. Brenner-Fiedler offers vacuum pumps and vacuum systems known for being uncompromisingly reliable with unbeatable performance. With dedicated product specialists and numerous models to choose from, we ensure you'll find the right fit for your applications. Brenner-Fiedler is an industry leader in providing nitrogen generators and custom-engineered nitrogen generator systems. Designed to deliver low operating costs and a rapid return on investment, we can deliver a system to meet your specific needs, schedule, or budget. Removing monthly nitrogen delivery cost is saving companies significant funds annually, while also eliminating high-pressure delivered tanks. Keep safety a priority in the workplace. Ready to discover how Brenner-Fiedler can partner with you? Contact us today. We are standing by and ready to help. Call 800-843-5558 or visit Brenner-Fiedler.com.